I hope the tutorial and the material presented so far by me and my colleagues has been useful to you. Let me quickly recap the main points that we covered today. We started with the first discussion on fairness in healthcare to be a system level problem for AI, not just a data problem. We then described the various measures and the settings in which each of them should be used or maybe not used. Then we talked about how to operationalize fairness within the machine learning pipeline in healthcare settings. In my opinion, this view is quite unique and new to the healthcare world, and there is a ton of work ahead for us to make this more robust. We then discussed some of the best practices and gave a demo of the open source collaborative library that we are developing. Next up, I would like to call upon each one of you to contribute with ideas and suggestions and takeaways from this tutorial. It takes a village to make a robust AI machine learning framework for healthcare and for it to scale up. So I hope you will join us. There are many academic groups, enterprises, and nonprofits focused on fairness and bias in healthcare and machine learning. But there are very few that are exclusively focused on ensuring that machine learning models work at scale in pipelines. And we have taken the lead in this amongst the community, and I hope that we are doing enough to support this initiative, but we need more help. So with that, I would like to point out to some of these libraries that are very useful in developing our own framework, as well as while we looked at many libraries which allowed for comparison of multiple metrics and algorithms, we did not find any that suited our purpose the best. So we decided to work on our own set of tools, and in that process, if there are prominent libraries or your work that we may be missing, then it is not intentional. If we inadvertently left out any such works, we sincerely ask for your forgiveness and request you to please point us to such gaps in our research. With that, I would like to thank you on the behalf of our entire team. Take care.